people, I'm Mitali and welcome to the BigBasket channel. And today we are going to talk about 5 essential electric gadgets that are literally a boon to any hostler. Think of these gadgets like your new best friend, just like Maggie, but just for the days when you need a little bit more of assistance and help. Trust me, they'll become as important for you as Wi-Fi. Also, there's a hidden giveaway question inside this video, so you'll have to stick around till the end to win an exciting voucher.
First up is this coffee frother. Now let's be real. Coffee is not just a drink, it's like magic for us hostlers. Especially for me, I try to drink as less of coffee as possible, but on the days I really crave for it, this comes in very handy. First of all, it's so compact and look at the frothy goodness it gives to my coffee. I love the cafe-like feeling that it gives to my coffee. So if coffee is your love, then this frother is a soulmate. It also comes with this amazing stand, so it's very easy and very compact to store anywhere in your room.
Next up is this sandwich maker. Now let's be real, not all of us have the luxury of having an induction or gas stove in our hostel rooms, and this is the perfect solution for the lazy days when you don't want to go out but you want to have something delicious. You just need to pop in your bread, your favorite fillings, just leave it to grill, and oh my god, the perfect crunchy and cheesy sandwich is just ready in front of me, and I cannot tell you how convenient and how amazing it is to use it whenever I want. Plus, it's super easy to clean, so you focus more on your studies than cleaning and scrubbing those breadcrumbs. Now moving on, we've got this trusty kettle. Now isn't just kettle a versatile little wonder? You can use it for tea, ramen, instant noodles, or just boiling your water. It's quick, sturdy, and perfect for a fast-paced life in hostel. So if you need a reliable gadget that's up for everything, this kettle is your go-to. It's compact, efficient, and a real game changer. Now let's talk about this blender. Eating something healthy or maybe making a healthy smoothie in hostel may be quite a task. But with this blender, it's as easy as pressing a button. No kidding. Just pop your favorite fruits and nuts and watch it work like magic. It saves you from those messy steps and gives you a to die for smoothie. Perfect for a healthy kickstart to your day or maybe an evening craving. Brownie points for being so easy to clean up because मुझे बर्तन धोने में बहुत आलस आता है. And finally, we have this extension board. Now being a student and a creator, I have too many gadgets and too many wires lying around in my room, and my hostel just gave me like 2 plug points on which I though cannot survive. With multiple outlets, this extension is perfect for charging my devices like my laptop, iPad, phone, and even using lights and my study lamp. Now no more fighting on a single outlet or relying on those fussy adapters. And that's a wrap on my top 5 electric essentials for any hostler. Now, drum rolls, it's time for the giveaway question. You have to comment below what all did I put in my smoothie. These gadgets have literally made my hostel life very easy and very convenient. And if you wish to buy any of them, all the links are mentioned in the description, so do check it out. And if you enjoyed this video and want more such exclusive content from me, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the BigBasket channel. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks and hostel hacks, and I'll see you again. Okay, bye.